The Lockin 4-in-1 Fingerprint Door Lock provides versatile access options including fingerprint, passcode app control, and a backup key, ensuring convenience and security. This smart door lock allows swift fingerprint recognition in just zero point 0.2 seconds and supports up to 20 personalized fingerprints and passcodes, offering seamless user management. The auto lock feature engages within 5 seconds of closing, and a simple thumb turn activates privacy mode, enhancing protection for personal spaces. Equipped with a 400 milliampere hour rechargeable battery and Type-C charging, the lock ensures continuous operation with emergency USB power options. Enhanced security modes, such as passage and privacy modes, along with anti-peep technology, make this lock suitable for various settings like bedrooms, hotels, and offices. The door lock's smart design and flexible operation make it an ideal choice for those seeking a balance of advanced security features and user-friendly access.